In this video, I'll be teaching you how to do realistic split thumb makeup. Now this is really easy to do, along with also it is pretty simple and pretty quick to do. So let's get started and let's begin. We are going to be starting this video off with some petroleum jelly along with also a piece of scar wax that you've already warmed up. Put petroleum jelly onto your thumb along with also onto the scar wax. Flatten the scar wax out slightly and then go and shape it into a half circle onto the tip of your thumb. From there, use petroleum jelly in a circular motion to go and flatten it out slightly. Continue to flatten it out and blend it so it looks like it's real skin. From there, go and wipe off any extra petroleum jelly. Some of the scar wax as you wipe off the petroleum jelly might go onto your fingernail, so use a sculpting tool and go and shape your fingernail along with also move the scar wax off to the side. From there, after it's fully and totally shaped, remove a small piece from the corner of your thumb. Flatten down any little bit of scar wax that you pulled up, and also make a solid semi-straight line. Outline the edges of the scar wax with black cosmetic. After that's outlined, put red cosmetic and blend the black and red together. After the cosmetic has dried, which I am using the Mayron Paradise palette so it's water-based and it dries pretty quickly, go and take powder cosmetic. Take your brush, tap it off a few times. You do not want this to be too pigmented and you don't want it to leave a really dark color in an area, and lightly brush it on to the outer portion of the scar wax. A little bit will get into the center and it's going to dull the red, so after you've brushed this down and after you've blended the color out a little bit, go and add more red pigment into the middle. Mix up some fake blood. I'm using a little bit of instant coffee to go and give this more texture. Go and mix the instant coffee into your fake blood. You don't need to do this, but it does give it more texture, and then put it into the center of where you have put down the red cosmetic. Let this dry slightly, and then you can go and add more and continue to just stack it up a little bit. Make sure to go and get the corner of your finger as well with a small amount of fake blood. Let everything dry slightly, and it should look a little something like this. It looks gross, of course, and this is also a great starting point for you to go and start to learn realistic SFX makeup. Thank you all so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, take care and take it easy.